Minta maaf lah, masuk hari ketiga rasa macam susahnya nak buat video, capek banget. Tak tahu lah macam mana korang boleh konsisten buat video. Jomlah tunjuk hari ketiga buat apa. Hari ni kita orang pergi different sikit. Kalau you datang Labuan Bajo selalu kita pergi dive kan, but today we do a little bit different.
Hey, where are we going?
We're going to
Where?
secret spot.
Oh,
You going there?
Okay.
So nak tahu apa, kita tengok sampai sana.
After we finish loading and we have everyone on the boat and we're gonna go there. The drive is around 15 minutes, 20 minutes stop. We're gonna be on the beach.
Okay.
Then he will check for the actual place where we put the frame. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go there and look around. First, we monitor what we've been doing. I think 3 months ago we dropped it, so we want to see what's the progress. And then we also gonna check the other area where we can drop our frame, which the distance and where to put it. And then he's gonna drop the frame for us. We're gonna put the frame there, hammer it. And then we're gonna go look for coral in the area. What kind of coral that we gonna plant, we will discuss first and check like which coral that we actually saw.
Okay, Lily dah explain semua benda. Cuma video kali ni I akan compile apa yang kita orang buat underwater. Coral propagation dekat Labuan Bajo ni unik tau. Sebab instead of korang ada pet, korang ada anak angkat, tapi now dekat Labuan Bajo Lily ada buat coral adoption. So korang boleh ada baby coral sendiri dekat Labuan Bajo tau. Sebab kerja ni agak last minute. Sepatutnya 4 orang tapi jadi 5. Okey lah, sangat membantu untuk 5 orang. Table ni ada 2 side. Satu side letak jaring. Jaring ni untuk table coral dan satu side dibiar free macam tu untuk branch coral. Panas yang tanya lah, memang panas gila kat sini. Pukul 12 tak salah kita orang buat kerja ni. Lepas potong jaring tu ikut frame, ikat dengan cable tie. Okay, this is how you ikat coral tu. Make sure surface dia rapat dengan frame. Then senang nanti dia nak tumbuh dan dia ambil masa yang sekejap. Kalau tak nanti longgar susah dia nak attach. Kita akan letak coral dekat depan pantai ni, around here. And before that, we gonna check what is the good coral for.
Oh, what's your shoe size?
I tu pun dekat tengah lah, diver dekat atas pas frame. Lepas tu I kampas dekat Lily kat bawah. Tempat yang sesuai yang kita orang tengok ni lebih kurang dalam 8 meter macam tu. Sebab sedimen dia kurang. Kalau sedimen tinggi kesian, nanti korang you kena datang selalu untuk cuci. Dah confirm letak mana, kena ketuk dengan hammer untuk kuatkan kaki frame tu. Kerja 5 orang macam ni lah, serabut sikit, tempat pun sempit. Tapi tak apa, kerja cepat, senang. Walaupun tak boleh cakap dalam air, tapi pandai-pandai lah. I tolong dia, dia tolong I. Macam tu lah, ulang-ulang. Okay, done for today. Sebenarnya penat tau daripada pagi sampai petang. Ni sunset. Sunset ke petang dah ni, dah nak malam.
To each coral today, just right there, we have 2 frames lay out there. Or if you want, you can also adopt baby coral to your baby.
Have baby in Bajo.
In Bajo, yeah.
So your baby gonna live longer than you. That's special one.
You can have a pet, but you can also have a baby coral, which is actually going to save the environment as well because they're the one that save our planet.
So soon we come back again and see what's
Yeah,
happening to
yeah.
our coral just now.
They grow every month. We will check it, and you know how they grow, centimeters by centimeters. Thank you.